What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here. Kasama ko si Graham Esber. Para sa mga hindi pa kilala si Graham has been a game announcer, mostly for volleyball, but
Yes,
a
sir.
PBA fan longer than me for sure. I think early 2000s pa si Graham. Ako, I would say late 2010s ako naging fan or at least I followed the PBA. So no other better guest than Graham. And hopefully we get to have Graham available post-game after ng mga games ngayon kasi ano na semifinals game 4 na yung Hinebra Northport which could look like a sweep which we're gonna talk about in a bit. Tapos yung TNT Rain or Shine which I hope na ma-extend to 7 games kasi that's a fun series. That's the fun series between the two. Aminin na natin, no? Yun yung masayang series
Yeah.
for various reasons. Pero I hope si Jason Castro, 10 months, no? Best wishes to Jason Castro. Hopefully he recovers well and still contributes to TNT in the next season. Graham, musta bro? Si Graham, guys, has been a friend of mine since 2022, 2023. 2 years rin.
Yeah. No, yeah, no. 2023, no? Early
2 years.
2023. Oh, everything's good, man. Basketball wise, ano? My Lakers are creeping
Ikaw,
up
ikaw rin.
to the
Number
top.
2 na, di ba?
Exactly, bro. So
Number 2 na.
life could not be any better. And you know, that's just how life goes. Ano? A month ago we have Dilo and then AD now.
Oo nga
We
naman, tago.
have
Pero it's not,
Luca.
you're not saying naman a negative thing na si AD.
No, no,
Si
no, bro. I
Dilo
miss
lang. Kay
AD.
Dilo lang. Si Dilo lang yung negative.
Yeah,
Mamaya ka na
yeah.
yan.
I miss AD, but that's fine. No, yeah. PBA is about to well, at least one of the series, ano, it's about to conclude. At least from what we saw in the first three games, I
First,
think doon tayo
kakahiya bro. For
mag-umpisa,
me,
no?
nakakahiya. For me, oh, I mean, to, simulan ko na sa ganito For me, medyo nakakahiya yung ginagawa ng Northport. Sorry lack of a better term, Graham, for me, nakakahiya. I'm not sure ano yung i-describe mo sa kanila kasi you're the number one team. You don't look like a team that plays like you're the top in the group in the all of the teams that participated. I actually rooted for Northport while they were in the regular season. Habang pinapanood ko yung games, they're fun to watch, di ba? Young
Oo.
team, everybody was trying. They were really competing. Ang ano nila sa depensa. Talk about the regular season Northport,
Mm.
napaka-pesky nila sa defense. You see Joshua Monzon, Franyo getting at it, Evan Nelly. So you could see the young pieces connecting and this was a post save Lucero trade. Pero ngayon, bro, Graham, I just feel like it's only William Navarro who's trying. Kasi Kadim Jack, he tried game 1 and 3. Ano
Oo.
na nangyari sa kanya sa game 2? I'm sure you have comments on that one. But I just want to start off with that one for Northport muna. Kasi in Hinebra, we already know that ganda ng ball movement and everything, but I just want to say that Northport is kind of disappointing to say the least.
I mean, even Arvin Tolentino, no, in the first
Disappointing as well.
three games, oo. I think a good comparison dito sa Northport was the Toronto Raptors when LeBron was still
Toronto.
in the East, 'di ba? Like you're always
Lebron
number
to.
one. Oh, 'di ba? You're always number one. But nobody fears you in the playoffs. Like, sige, pakita mo, yeah, number one ka. We'll go into your house and, give us
I
a
like that
sandwich
comparison. That's
and
good.
some chips. Oh, kasi they're still a young team. And here's the thing about Northport, ano. Every great team in this modern era ng PBA has gone through some adversities. Yung San Coffee team na nag-Grand Slam, di ba? Before they won the Grand Slam, they were beaten by Powerade, the 8th seed. Di ba? They were the number
I
one seed.
remember.
Tinalo sila ni Gary David. Yung San Miguel, the greatest all-Filipino team of all time. Five straight all-Filipino. What happened before that? Yung Petronovela, di ba? Si Coach Ato Agustin, hindi niya alam kung sino yung mga gagamitin niya and all that. We were talking about Barangay Ginebra. 8 years na hindi nag-champion yung Barangay Ginebra before itong, let's say, dynastic run nila in the Justin Brownlee era, di ba? And then, yung TNT, the four great teams, before sila naging great team in the All-Filipino, di ba, nagkaroon sila ng issue, nag-walk out pa sila in one of their games against Ginebra. So, this will serve, and this is probably not the right term to use, ano, learning experience for Northport. Kasi,
Ganda na segue. I like that
yeah, di
segue.
ba? Kasi you're the number one team.
Okay.
Now you know na, alam mo na kung ano yung adjustment na gagawin mo in the playoffs. At least from this, at least sana may matutunan kayo from the potentially 4 game sweep of Ginebra. But, every team has to go through this. Hindi naman pwedeng skyrocket ka agad sa pataas.
Tama. Ang ganda ng comparison mo dun sa Toronto Raptors na they were number one nga, they were led by I would say prime DeMar DeRozan, Kyle Lowry, even kasi mga 27, 28 na sila nun eh, di ba? They
Who you
were,
can compare to Arvin Tolentino, si DeMar DeRozan, di ba?
which is a supreme scorer, young supreme
Oo,
scorer,
di ba?
found his footing in the league.
Mhm.
Pero ngayon, how do you respond to a team against a great coach and Coach Tim Cone plus yung
Mhm.
staff niya na sobrang underrated din?
Exactly, di
Who
ba?
are planning na, oh, ito yung first option nila, Arvin Tolentino, na, ano na, alam nila may set game plan na, di ba, paulit-ulit. Yun yung challenge of playoffs eh. Wherein si
Oo.
Arvin has never experienced that yet, na tipong semifinals na.
Na siya yung
Kasi
main man.
na siya yung main man. So quarters,
Exact.
okay, yes, quarters, that's fine. That
Mm.
everybody goes through that. At it's a short series pag quarters, di ba? Pero pagdating sa semis, alam mo yun ng, okay, we're prepared. We saw what you did in the game tape. We saw what you did the whole season. Alam mo, may tinatago sila sa barahan nila eh.
I mean, if they're hiding something, then ngayon na nila ilabas, di ba? Kasi they're about to go on a vacation dahil Ginebra is up
Not
three
about
zero and
Hinebra. I'm talking about Hinebra
oh,
na
Ginebra.
the way they were hiding their cards na okay, this is how we're gonna defend
Oh,
Arvin. Pero
yeah.
let's keep it under
Oh,
wraps.
it,
Oh.
and Arvin used to play for Ginebra, di ba? So
Yeah.
there's a factor na, sa practice, di ba? You'll know his tendencies. When
Tendencies.
when when things get tight, where will Arvin go? And I think yung expectation natin kay Arvin has been so far naging masyadong mataas. But he responded di ba? Sa regular season, sa eliminations. He,
Definitely
he's
did.
he's the
Mm.
leading candidate for BPC,
BPC.
I think,
Mm.
based on
Or
statistical
Junmar.
points. Oh, well, Junmar did not make the playoffs, so that
Yeah,
automatically
isa pa
eliminates
yun.
him. But
Oo.
si Arvin, I mean, I think he has a chance to, even if he does not make the finals, di ba, na mag-BPC.
Hmm.
It will be the first time since T. Stan, who also was in Northport. That was the last time that happened. But with Arvin, I think he has to calm down, ano. Kasi malakas yung team nila eh. It
Oo.
doesn't always have to revolve around him. Yeah, just si Munzon, di ba? Diyan nga si Franyo, si Evan Nelly. They're a young team. Pwede mga sila para sa Oklahoma City ngayon, di ba? With with the way they're
Pwede.
playing, it's just
Pwede.
that yung nabangga nila is a team na we can see gigil to dahil remember runners up lang sila last conference and they feel na we could have beaten TNT and alam natin yung goal nila mag Grand Slam, di ba? Yung Barangay Ginebra. So,
Hmm.
you know, Northport yung nasa pathway nila, ngayon sinagasaan nila. At least for the first 3 games.
Yeah. Tapos isa pa rin dito, no, Graham was I don't know why Kadeem Jack disappeared in game two. He was late, di ba? Late siya by an
Oo nga.
hour. So I don't know what the real issue was. And then the whole game, parang di siya interested. The motor na nakita ko kay Kadeem Jack in game two was not the usual Kadeem Jack that I saw na easy 15 plus rebounds.
I
Sometimes yung the
think,
ball will land around his vicinity and he won't try. So I don't know. Is it
uh,
because discouraged siya sa nangyayari sa scores? Because of the 20 plus, 30 plus point lead? I don't know.
I think it plays a factor, ano, parang mind games kasi yan in the playoffs na uh, we beat this team in the eliminations and then game 1
Mm.
tinampakan nila kami. Ganun-ganun lang. Plus, na-late siya. So, as humans, parang meron tayong system na, let's say,
Routines.
routine na 3 hours before the game, I do this. 2 hours before the game, I do this. Now, he was late for an hour. Now, minamadali niya lahat. He's not in sync. And, that plays a factor. But credit to Coach Tim Cone and lagi naman yun yung battle cry niya, di ba? We defend. The offense will come by itself. Pero we have to defend.
Defense.
If we have to win by defense or offense, Coach Tim Cone 10 times out of 10 with the preferred defense. And the thing about Northport is yung shinat daw ng Ginebra, not only was Arvin Tolentino but also their import. Sana kahit isa lang sa kanila di ba? Will pick up the slack, but so far it's been 2-0 for Ginebra shutting down Arvin and si Jack.
Yeah. And then another thing, I think last that I would say for Rain for rain or shine for Northport was Joshua Monzon is also missing. The Joshua Monzon that we saw ng regular season in a way has been utilized, and that's because dahil na sinabi mo, it's really the defense na ngayon lang sila nakatikim na ganitong defense na alam na nila yung gagawin sa inyo. How do you adjust, di ba? It's how do you as a team come back from this kind of pressure?
It's a common theme sa
Mm.
Northport, yung usual contributors nila. And I don't know how big of a role yung crowd plays into this. Kasi remember, Northport was the number one team in the elimination. Pero they only saw Ginebra once, di ba?
Oh,
They only
once
saw
lang
the
eh.
Ginebra
Single round
crowd
robin
once.
lang eh.
So pag pagpasok nyo ba sa arena na nakikita nyo, yung lahat ng tao, I mean, at least 90% of the people are against you, binubu kayo, di ba? And then chinichir yung kalaban. Does that play a role? Di ba? Kasi these people, naglaro to sa UAAP, sa NCAA, so they should be used to
Oh,
that. But I think may ibang mystic yung Hinebra crowd, no? Na so far si
iba yung
RHJ pa
mystic.
lang yung nakakaso. Um, but that could play a factor. But experience plays a big role in this, no? Yung Ginebra, um, so far, I mean, hindi pa sila natetest ng Northport in the clutch, but I'll bet my money na if the game comes down to the wire, Ginebra will win. But so far, Northport has not stood up to the challenge na at least dikitan man lang natin Ginebra towards the fourth quarter. Sabi nga ni Magumarjan kahapon, third quarter
Oh.
pa lang nag-uuwian na ibang fans, di ba?
Actually,
Sa Araneta
nakikita mo.
Coliseum.
Oh.
Oo. Well, that's probably because inahabol din nila LRT and the MRT, but they know, 'di ba? Third quarter, 29-point game. Where's this going? It only has one result in the end. So it's it's a combination of Ginebra being the more experienced team, and then Northport, no, younger. And then si Kadim Jack kasi is not the import that you'll go to when you need a basket. Yeah.
You feel
Not
so?
like
Hindi, you
an
don't feel
RH.
like he is a first option. You feel that.
Yeah, kind of. Hindi siya yung parang si RHJ, 'di ba, na or si JB na, oh, I need a basket right now in the last 2 minutes. I'll give the ball to Kadim Jack. No, bibigyan na kay Arvin, 'di ba? Kay Joshua,
Hmm.
kay Evan Nelly. That's because yung playstyle din naman ni Kadim. Pero yung Northport kasi towards the eliminations, they were closing out games, 'di ba? With Kadim Jack. But iba talaga tong playoff. Sabi nga ni Magu kahapon, in the
Hmm.
broadcast na, yeah, sure, di ba, number one ka towards the elims, and I'm paraphrasing him. But
Go,
ibang
go.
animal tong playoffs, especially
Ibang
kapag
animal.
gantong team yung nakalaban mo. I mean, remember nung quarterfinals, nahirapan din sila sa Magnolia. And that, not to discredit Magnolia, they
Yeah,
were
not
probably the most dangerous eight seed in the conference that, they could have played. But, you know, that game came down to the wire.
Agreed, Graham. And prediction for Game 4? Do you think it's a sweep, or do you think Northport has one more run in them?
If I'm a Hinebra fan na manonood sa venue and Araneta is allowing yung mga walis, then I'll
Hmm.
bring I'll bring walis because there's no
Dadala
way,
ka na,
no,
magdadala ka na
no,
walis. Oh.
there's no way that Northport comes back from this. Can they still game for? Yes, especially it's an afternoon game, di ba? Parang hindi sanay Hinebra maglaro na first game, baka masama yung gising.
They
Sure,
always
you
parang
can
start slow na pag mga buklak.
'di ba? You can catch them off guard. Parang sa NBA, 'di ba? The Lakers normally sometimes play at 12 p.m. game in LA. So they're flat-footed probably, but if you look at the first three games, there's no evidence that says Northport is gonna extend this series into a game five. I mean, hopefully, um, to to make it a little bit more exciting,
The gentleman sweep.
uh,
Parang konting ano.
gentleman sweep, di ba? But I don't think Ginebra is in the business of playing another game, especially on the other side. Nagbabakbakan yung dalawa, di ba? So, rested kayo, tapos pagod yun nasa kabilang series, all advantage is on you.
Tama. So let's now move on to the Ross TNT series. This one's interesting
Mhm.
because the loss of Jason Castro really changed a lot of things. He's still contributing. There's a reason why nga siya yung 2024 Finals MVP. And I
Mhm.
get it. if we're gonna give a shout out to some players, unahin natin si RSJ. So Ramadan ngayon, di ba? And you can
Yeah,
hear in the
oo nga pala.
broadcast na you can hear in the broadcast ng mga CSR na Ronde is not taking any food, there's not drinking any water from sunrise till sundown. I heard that.
Oo,
Tapos, which makes his stats even more impressive, especially yung last game, talo nga sila 103-98, a close one.
oo,
A game na they could have stolen again dahil yung mga late four-pointers, si Ronde.
oo
Anyway,
nga, ano?
yeah, Ronde had 34 points, 19 rebounds in Ramadan mode. Actually, ba si RHJ pag Ramadan? Alam mo yun,
Oo,
kasi kung kailaban niya yung Hinebra, silang dalawa ni Brownlee, I think had a food poisoning time na yun. Tapos si
oo.
RSJ
Was in
was
Ramadan
Ramadan
mode, ano?
RSJ. Ramadan mode. Oo.
I think Ramadan RHJ can ano no rival Ramadan Kyrie Irving in terms of that tier list ano yung Matt LeBron and then Ramadan Kyrie something like
Oo.
that. But RHJ bro, like NBA teams, RHJ is here in the Philippines, like sign him up, this guy's an NBA player.
Kaya pa eh,
Can't
no?
suppo
Kaya pa.
Oh,
Kaya pa mag.
oh, he has a place in the NBA itong si Rondae Hollis Jefferson. Um, good case again, not to win the best import award. I think if they make it to the finals, he'll beat Justin Brownlee again as the best import of the conference. But yung efforts niya towards the end game, he had the late four-pointer to make it more interesting. Actually, siya rin yung kumamada nung first half for them. They were up by 8 in the first quarter. So he's doing everything. And you mentioned Jason Castro in the beginning. So Jason,
Jason
I think,
Castro.
here's the thing about Jason, ano, para na siyang
Oh.
si LeBron na magpepetiks-petiks na lang ako sa Elims. No, I'm not gonna chase the BPC anymore. I'm not gonna chase
Oh,
my
no.
stats. Oh, pero I mean, pagdating ng playoffs, especially in the finals, like, I will still be that guy. Last conference, Ray ng Batak, ang ganda ng nilaro buong conference, diba? But in the
But si Ray
finals,
is inconsistent. Yan yung problema kay
oo,
Ray, di ba? He gives you a great
exactly.
game. The next game, nasan si Ray? Parang
Oo,
ganun.
tama. Oo. Inspired by Anthony Davis probably. But the thing about Jason Castro is, oh nga, 'di ba, si Ray ng Bata,
Oh.
he can score 30 in a game. Towards the end of the game, kaninong bibigyan bola? I mean, bilang isang local,
Castro,
'di ba? Kay Jason.
RHJ.
Yeah,
Oh,
Jason
Castro,
will have the ball
RHJ,
or
for
Calvin of
sure.
Tana. Yeah.
Sprinkle some Calvin of Tana
Yeah,
because
but the
oh,
ball will be in Jason Castro's hands. So it's a huge loss for TNT, and I believe ano kung nando si Jason Castro yesterday, it
3-0.
probably would have been three. Won't discredit Coach Yang kasi he's a very intelligent mind, but it's a huge loss for TNT. I can now see a path wherein Rain or Shine
Mm.
can win this series because of Jason Castro's absence. That's very big for TNT. I mean, before the series, I thought it was TNT in five. Now I
Okay.
can say I can
Pre Castro injury. Okay.
pre
TNT
Castro
in 5.
injury. But the way Nocom is playing, tapos nawala pa si Jason Castro. Uh, Ross has Ross has a chance here, a big chance to snatch the final slot from TNT.
For Ross to catch up against TNT to win the series, it has to go to 7, right? It has to go to 7. Or
Yeah,
kaya
I
nila to straight. Kasi you have to go straight eh. At least 6 eh, di ba? Kasi 2-1 ngayon.
the
I'm
thing
sure
about uh,
makakasilat pa TNT ng isa. Sa tingin
so
mo?
yeah, you cannot bring a champion down like that. The thing about being
Ah.
down 0-2 is you can look at it different ways. You can look at it if ikaw yung down na 2-0 as you have you only have to win 4 games na hindi pa kasi nakaka-4 yung kalaban. Or if you look at it at the negative side, you have to win 4 of the next 5 games. And that team just beat you in the previous 2 games. So I think Ross right now down just just down by a game, and then if they
Hmm.
win game 4, momentum will certainly be on their side. Um, I think game 4, that's not a must win for TNT. That's a must win for Rain or Shine. I
More
mean,
for
it
Ross.
literally is a must win. But if they win game 4, I think they win the series.
Okay. I like the take. If they win game 4, talking about rain or shine, they win the series.
I think so. Yeah. And wala kasi tayong home court advantage dito sa Philippines, di ba? But, if you're down 0-2 and then binalikan mo ng dalawang sunod, all the momentum is on your side pagdating ng Game 5, di ba? And, you know, people tend to like Rain or Shine more than TNT. Uh, because they're an
They do.
independent team.
As an
As
independent
an
team, they do.
independent team, di ba? That's why people are clamoring, oh, Converge naman, or Rain or Shine naman, or Phoenix naman. Um, so they'll probably have the support of the people. Uh, Coaching is no stranger in these situations. Plus, may import pa, di ba? Coaching is one of the greatest uh, coaches when it comes to import-laden conferences. So, it's gonna be interesting to see how TNT will respond. Especially, mayroong commotion na si Poy Eram and si Glenn
Yeah,
Cabontin.
that was weird. Pero brinosh off nila pagkatapos. Pero that's kind of weird na puputok ka sa sarili mong teammate ng ganun. Parang,
It is weird. And at the end of the game, si Cabontin was being interviewed by, I think it was
he
Jerry
brushed it off, di ba?
Ramos.
He brushed it off.
Oh, he
Sabi
brushed it
niya,
off, and then Poy Eram was there, and Poy Eram did not even acknowledge him.
well, that's weird.
There was a
Okay.
clip. Now, that's probably because siguro hindi na lumapit si Poy Eram dahil
Oh,
baka tanungin
baka.
pa siya ng media, 'di ba? That's probably one of the reasons. But they brushed it off. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. I mean, they're teammates. They're both dogs, 'di ba? If you use basketball terms. So, you know, magkakapatid yung mga yan eh. So
Mm.
it's something that I can see them uh I can see them getting past by or off. But that was interesting to see. But sabi nga nila, no, buti walang naging sakalan. That would have been wild. Na,
Saka.
oo,
Parang
di
hindi
ba?
naman ganun si
Remember?
Poy. Poy is just the type of player to just lose his shit. Mawala.
Uh,
Ganun na siya. But he's not gonna do anything like physical na he's gonna grab you, grab your neck, gonna push you.
bro, si Poy
But
Eram, sobrang passionate niya kasi talaga
yeah,
maglaro.
passionate. But he's not gonna hurt you.
He's a
Eh,
passionate Tim Duncan. Imagine Tim Duncan with passion. Because Tim Duncan
that's
doesn't
crazy.
talk,
Feel ko
di ba?
goat yun, bro. Pag si Tim Duncan with passion, like,
Oo,
feel ko
with passion, di ba? That's Poy Eram in the
the
Philippines. Like,
fundamentals lang. Tetres,
yung
bablock.
fundamentals, di ba? And Tim Duncan doesn't even attempt outside shots. Poyeram is a good shooter if you give him space.
Pag naiwan.
So, it's TNT still is the favorite to win this series. But I
Still,
think
they're still the
uh
favorites. Okay.
I think Ross uh has a big hole na pwede nilang pasukan if they win game 4.
So gaya ng sinabi mo, Game 4 will be crucial for the Elasto Painters. No, it is it's their do or die kumbaga. Kasi the moment
Uh,
na maging 3-1 na yan, I think Ronde might just like lick his fingers and be like, kain na, tara na, tapusin na
oh
natin to.
yeah, exactly. It doesn't
As a
matter
vet,
when we finish it 5, 6, 7. You're not gonna beat us 3 straight games. If you're rain or shine na malubog ka ng 1-3. No, that's not gonna happen against TNT. They're too
ito
good
yung
for that.
defending champions. These are the defending champions. Diba?
I think no, Commissioner's
Commissioner,
Cup.
hindi, si SMB pala yun, Benny
No,
Boatwright.
it's oh yes,
Sila ba?
it's
Sila Benny.
SMB. So this title is up for grabs. But this is still the defending champion from the Governors Cup. Wala naman silang binago dito sa lineup na to, di ba? And players are now starting to contribute. Kay Maurin picked up the slack yung naiwan ni Castro. He had a good game yesterday. Maraming good players itong TNT that are being overlooked kasi yung backcourt nila is very loaded. Pogoy, you have Reynang Batak and Jason Castro. Like, sure, guard, halos wala ka nang pepwestuhan doon. But Kim Maurin is now has his chance. And so far, so good.
Shout out to Kaylan Chongson who has been playing well for the past 3 games. Especially
Oh,
itong most recent game. Inspired eh, no?
luckiest man in the Philippines, arguably.
Arguably.
Arguably when the rumors started to circulate, I saw a couple of man sa SM na umiiyak because of you know, Bini
Couple of
Ayas.
guys nag-uwi.
Yeah, probably on their knees like, no.
It should have
But
been
yeah,
me.
it should have been me. Like, bro, you don't have a chance. But yeah, no, Kaylin Tiongson. Um, I was I actually like Kaylin Tiongson to be picked by Hinebra nung draft night.
You
He's
thought
still a rookie,
nakukunin
right?
siya.
Oh, kasi 'di ba they moved up and there were rumors na si Bearfield ba or si si Tiongson or si Amos. I don't know, not Amos,
Uy, bigla may
the
Mason.
no, 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 not Amos. That
Nakita mo
guy's
siguro
name
yung clip ni Mason
si
with
si
Scotty.
Phillips. Si Phillips. Same kasi De La Salle, but um
Ah,
no, si Phillips. So there were rumors na posibleng si Tiongson, and you know, if napunta siya sa Ginebra and then the rumors are true, di ba? Would have been the next James Yap, probably.
na ano na in a way low key because James Yap has never been low key.
Oh yeah,
James
no,
Yap is like a celebrity na alam mo yung bawat galaw niya for some reason. You just know what
yeah.
he's doing at the moment. I think it's because just being involved with also celebrities. Pero I mean, the Beanie Girls naman are always they're kind of low key as well if you think about it, Graham. They don't talk about their love life. They don't.
No,
Diba?
no. I mean,
Parang yung mga
this is the first member na was
na nag
rumored
hmm.
to someone else. But going back to Barangay Nebras pick, I'm happy with RJ Barrientos. Like,
Oh yeah, yeah.
bro, that dude is
Not to
amazing.
discredit RJ. Not to discredit
I
RJ.
think he has a solid case. If he's not the favorite to be the rookie of the year, he should be top two.
Sino ba kalaban niya? For, Nokum, is it Nokum Ber? Hindi, tapos na si ano eh.
No, tapos na sinukom eh. I think yan, sila Tiongson, si Bearfield.
Pero feel
Who's
ko
the number?
RJ, bro.
Yeah,
Because
I think
Bearfield's not played. Bearfield, di
uh
ba? Hindi siya masyadong nakalaro masyado eh.
and mag-aaklas yung buong barangay if if the RJ was beaten by someone else who's gonna be controversial. But Tiongson as a case too.
Yeah, I mean, Kaylan, kidding aside, no? 18 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists, all while
Mm-hmm.
match up kay RJ. So he's
Uh,
doing his best. Imagine mo, he's giving his best at defense, 110%. At the same time, also contributing. 18, 7, and 4. Diba?
exactly, ano. Parang parang siya yung naging Stephen Holt nila. Remember last conference, si Stephen Holt
Oo.
yung tumawa kay RJ, and then he still contributes on the other side. So, um, they found the gem in Kalen Tiong. So, what was he picked? Like fifth, sixth, seventh? Something like that. In the middle of the lottery na siya, di ba? Si Kalen Tiongson. So,
Yeah, middle na siya. Ross was like
I'm
4, 5, 6 or something.
5, 6, 7, something like that. So, they found the gem na paano nalaglag sa amin si Kalen Tiongson. I get the other guys like Balti, who probably would have won Rookie of the Year if nabuo niya yung season. Um, Balti, Bearfield, RJ, uh, those guys, those guys are really, top five worthy. Pero si Kalen Tiongson also was in that conversation, and then nahulog pa siya ni Ross. So, you know, jackpot, rain or shine. Good chance to, I mean, good future too. Like, they can be the Oklahoma City talaga with some veteran presence, di ba?
The real
The
OKC.
real
The real.
Oklahoma City. Yeah, for sure.
Girl, I gotta ask you, and ako bibigay ko na rin yung players na to. Pepa, pauna kita. Players that you want to step up both for Rain or Shine and TNT. It could be a one guy, it could be two guys, ko bahala. Feel free to start whatever. Kung gusto mo TNT unahin or Ross, a player na
I
gusto mo
think
pa, may
for
mabubuga pa.
TNT, it has to be, I mean, doble kayod pa yung wings nila, si Oftana and si Pugoy.
You wanted
Because
more of Calvin. Okay,
if
same.
they get hot, boy, they're really hot. Like Oftana can go 8 of 8 from three. He's Klay Thompson na, more athletic, and can create for himself. That guy's crazy. And then same with RR Pugoy. They have to pick up the slack. I mean, I guess they're hoping right now they have a Mikey Williams, but they don't
wala,
have
wala,
him
wala na
uh
yun, no? Te-trade na yun for sure if
right
ever
now.
man
I
na,
think
ano.
so.
Oh.
I think so, with all the issues that have circulated around. But yeah, those wings, because our chick can only do so much. Di ba? And then another guy also is Glenn Cabontin. Na parang I know you're a great defender, but couple of 3 pointers in a game will be huge to lessen the load of RHJ and your other stars. TNT is a very packed team, so it's hard to say na, oh no, they're done because walang Jason Castro. No, no, they are built like a team that can absorb Castro's loss, and then just move on. On the other side, yung Rain or Shine, they're a complete team. They're still young. Uh I think Sinokom Sinokom has shown that he's a star in this league. Siguro we're gonna ask more from from the other guys.
Would you
I
say
think if Gabe
Clarito? Would you say
Clarito, yeah. I think Gabe Norwood, ang ganda ng laro niya ng game 3, ano?
yeah, yeah.
If
Seven
he
points,
can
seven
follow that
minutes.
up. Oo, di ba? Parang, what? Gabe Norwood? So, if he can follow that up a couple of points and then peste niya lang si RHJ for a bit, it doesn't always have to be contributions on the offense. Yeah, I mean, I have 6 fouls to give. I'll make RHJ earn every point that he can. If Gabe can do that, bring back 2013 Gabe, kahit ilang minuto lang, that'll be huge for Ross. Gabe Norwood is the type of player na pag tiningnan mo sa box score, parang, ha? Anong ginawa niya? Pero pag pinanood mo yung actual game,
Positive siya, positive impact. Yeah.
nandun yung fingerprints niya, oh. And he can certainly, I mean, he has the capacity to contribute in a big way, not only on offense, pero mostly on defense. So those are the players that I think can do more for these teams.
Ako, dagdag ko na rin for my end kasi so nasabi natin si Clarito, di ba? Ako naman Keith Datu. Keith Datu has been a bit
Yeah.
inconsistent, but I feel like he could swing the tide for Ross if he just plays well, give you maybe 10 and 5, di ba? With a block here and there. Because you need help from all aspects. And the fact na a big man like him, di ba? In a way, tatartaray niya ikontrapelo si Poy Eram, but Poy Eram has the
Uh,
edge. Definitely, bata pa si Datu. But at least, di ba, if he could just show up.
Kabaliktaran siya ni Norwood actually, ano? Pag pinanood mo yung laro, ay, ano ba itong ginagawa nito ni Dato? Tapos pag tinignan mo yung box score, he has 10 points. He has 7 rebounds. Ano?
Oh,
It's like the complete opposite. So, this team complements each other. These players complement each other. And doon naman kilala si Coach Ying, di ba? Kung pag tinignan mo yung lineup niya, sino dito yung star? Like, baka wala pa nga dito kasali sa PBA All-Star eh. Pero they will be in the semifinals. They'll
because
be
si
in the
Noko,
playoffs.
eventually
He
Noko.
will be. But I'm just talking historically Yengyao teams. Like,
Wala masyadong ano.
oo na parang, sino dito yung superstar? Sino dito yung Gilas Pilipinas player?
It's still
Kanan.
the same questions, no? Till this day.
Oo.
It's still the same na sino dito yung
Sino
ganun.
dito yung go-to guy niya? I think hindi na nga siya, I haven't watched enough Rain or Shine games to say na hindi na si Coach Sheng yung nagbabalasa pa ba siya ng starters. Like every game, iba-iba pa ba yung starters niya?
Paiba-iba pa
Because,
rin. Pero ito
oo
yung
ka,
series na na-feel ko na medyo umiiksi na yung rotation.
oo.
Na
Because I
10
remember,
people lang, 9, 10 lang.
I remember before when he was in Rain or Shine na start in a playoff game, Jonathan Noiloan, Chito Jaime, di ba?
Iba-iba, ibang-iba.
Over Jeff Chan, over Paul Lee, over Jervy Cruz, di ba? So that's just Coach Yeng's style, and it has proven to be effective over the past 2 decades.
Okay, before we end this podcast, Graham, game for prediction.
Yeah, bring the brooms out if you're Ginebra.
And
It's
then, I mean
it's
like
not.
for
Oh,
ano pala, Ross and tapos na yung game for prediction natin sa ano eh,
sa
sa
Ginebra.
Ginebra Northport. It's the nagbigay ka kanina eh.
Oh yeah, I
Oh,
remember.
binigay mo na.
Towards
Dito
the
sa
beginning,
Ross TNT, how do you see game 4?
I think TNT wins. Uh, I
TNT wins,
was
okay.
Yeah, I was looking at game 3 as a measuring stick. Na if TNT can still hang on with rain or shine, they still have this series by the neck, and they still went neck and neck with rain or shine. Lumayo yung rain or shine in the third quarter and the early part of the fourth, but they were still in it, di ba? Without Jason Castro, na give Chot Reyes 2 games to adjust um to Castro's loss. That's gonna be too much. I hope it gets tied para mas maganda, 'di ba? Kasi itong two teams na to, they will fight each other um whenever whenever they see each other, it's gonna be a fight. So I hope it's gonna be 2-2, but my brain says it's gonna be TNT winning game 4. Ramadan RHJ, bro. that guy
Hashtag
that
Ramadan
guy's
RHJ.
different. Oh, Ramadan RHJ.
Yun lang naman. Guys, as always, for those on Spotify, follow, give us a follow and a 5-star rating. For those on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. This is Nico with Graham. Well, you'll see more of him in the coming days, especially if they're game days. Go at tayo na
You see
quick
me in the
post game
PVL
reaction.
too.
Oh, in the PVL, if you guys are PVL fans, if you noticed yung bosses, na sobrang ganda. Si Graham yun, yung game announcer. Tapos Graham
Yeah.
Esber. Multi-sport na ano kaya, no? Hindi, na
Yeah, no,
athlete.
no, I'm just love sports and
Oh.
wala lang hindi lang ganun ka-prominent yung American football dito, but I'm also a fan of that. But yeah, our heart still goes home to basketball at the end of the day.
Username ni Graham, guys, nandyan. Kita nyo naman, just follow him. Feel free to message him if ever na you agree or disagree with some of his takes. But dapat nice comments lang. But as always, see you all next time.
All
Peace.
right. Ciao.